Uber used to be the go-to for quick cash, but in 2025, the game has changed. Gas is up, bonuses are down, and Uber isn't the money maker it used to be. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 gig apps that actually pay more than Uber right now. And one of them is the medical delivery app that you didn't even know existed. Let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're going to like this. Let's get into it. Starting off strong with TaskRabbit. This app lets you make money while doing real tasks, like moving help, assembling furniture, yard work, or small repairs. People out here making $25 to $60 an hour just helping folks who don't want to do their chores. You literally set your own rate, pick the job that fits your schedule, go out there and work it. There's also less wear and tear on your car, no waiting around for rides, and you get paid directly for your time. If you got the kind of handyman skills, this one is a moneymaker. It's my number one. I would do TaskRabbit. Next up, Instacart. This one's been around, but a lot of drivers still sleep on how profitable it can be if you play it smart. The secret is learning how to pick the right batches. The ones with the high tip and short delivery distance. The top shoppers are making $25 to $30 an hour easily, especially in busy metro areas. Finding those metro areas, busy downtown areas, is important when doing this app. If you like staying on the move, but don't want strangers in your car, Instacart is the perfect middle ground. And it beats Uber when it comes to payout. People don't understand that. Coming at number 3, the classic DoorDash. Yeah, Uber Eats is out here, but DoorDash still runs the game when it comes to food delivery. If you work the lunch and dinner rush, stack peak pay, and know how to position yourself near high tip zones, you can easily make $20 to $25 an hour or more. The trick is not to just grind, it's to multi-app. Pair DoorDash with other apps like Instacart, Spark, Paraworks, and your downtime will disappear. You got a multi-app. That's just the way it goes. In 2025, efficiency is more money. You can't afford to sit still. So you got a multi-app, guys. That's just the way it goes. And if you're getting value from my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to further support the channel, click the links down below. Buy me a coffee. Number 4, Amazon Flex. This one is a sleeper for people who like structure. You grab a schedule block, load up at Amazon warehouse, and then drop off the packages. You know exactly what you'll make. It's usually between $18 and $25 an hour. You don't have to deal with people in your backseat or tipping drama. You just get in, deliver, get paid. If you like working on your own schedule but still want predictable pay, Amazon Flex is a good move. It's just hard to get on. If you can get on Amazon, this is a good one. Try to sign up for it, but it's not easy. And now for number 5, this one is different. It's not food, it's not passengers, it's a medical delivery. And the app is called MedZoomer. This platform connects drivers with pharmacies and healthcare facilities to deliver medication and medical supplies. If you get HIPAA training, flexible routes, pay can go from $20 to $40 an hour, sometimes more if you handle longer routes or bulky deliveries. The best part, there's way less competition than Uber or DoorDash. Not everybody can qualify for these gigs. So if you're reliable and professional, you're already ahead of the crowd. Other medical delivery apps like Cargo Health and Onro are popping up too, all focused in medical courier delivery. If you're looking for stability and better money, this is the move for 2025. The medical courier apps are always better. They pay more, but you have to do a little more. But I would go with those if you can. So there you have it. 5 gig apps that can beat Uber Eats in 2025 if you know how to work them. The gig economy isn't dying, it's just evolving. The money's still out there, you just gotta go where it's moved. Drop a comment down below, let me know which one of these apps you're rocking with. Or if you got one that pays even better than any of these apps I'm talking about. Hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, join the fam, because you already know what we about here. Until next time, it's your boy AD signing out. Peace out.